Hey Rockstars, welcome back to Quizzy Kids. Let's get started with today's quiz. Are you ready?
Today, let's play Guess the Abbreviation game and discover some of the world's most popular shortcut texts. So let's get started. Can you guess this shortcut text? The correct answer is by the way.
Yay!
This is one of the most popular abbreviations used in messages. Can you guess it? The correct answer is for your information.
Yay!
Do you know what this commonly used short form means? The correct answer is I don't know.
Yay!
People often use this while sharing their thoughts. Can you guess it? The correct answer is in my opinion.
Yay!
Here's another popular internet abbreviation. Can you figure it out? The correct answer is in my humble opinion.
Yay!
This short form is used when something is urgent. Can you guess it? The correct answer is as soon as possible.
Yay!
Can you identify this abbreviation used by people who like making things themselves? The correct answer is do it yourself.
Yay!
This abbreviation is often used while waiting or traveling. Can you guess it? The correct answer is estimated time of arrival.
Yay!
This quick chat shortcut is used when stepping away briefly. Can you guess it? The correct answer is be right back.
Yay!
Friends often use this abbreviation when they need an update. Can you guess it? The correct answer is let me know.
Yay!
This reaction is everywhere on social media. Can you guess it? The correct answer is oh my god.
Yay!
People use this abbreviation when something is funny. Can you guess it? The correct answer is laugh out loud.
Yay!
This texting shortcut means you'll speak again later. Can you guess it? The correct answer is talk to you later.
Yay!
This abbreviation is often used when someone is being honest. Can you guess it? The correct answer is to be honest.
Yay!
This term is widely used on social media platforms. Can you guess it? The correct answer is direct message.
Yay!
Here's another messaging abbreviation. Can you guess it? The correct answer is private message.
Yay!
You've probably seen this section on many websites. Can you guess it? The correct answer is frequently asked questions.
Yay!
This abbreviation is reserved for special guests. Can you guess it? The correct answer is very important person.
Yay!
This code is commonly used for secure logins. Can you guess it? The correct answer is one-time password.
Yay!
This important job title is known around the world. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Chief Executive Officer.
Yay!
Every company has this department. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Human Resources.
Yay!
Businesses use this abbreviation to track success. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Key Performance Indicator.
Yay!
This document helps protect confidential information. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Non-Disclosure Agreement.
Yay!
Office employees use this abbreviation almost every day. Can you guess it? The correct answer is End of Day.
Yay!
This email status lets others know you're unavailable. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Out of Office.
Yay!
This email feature sends a copy to additional recipients. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Carbon Copy.
Yay!
This email option hides recipients from one another. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Blind Carbon Copy.
Yay!
You probably use this wireless technology every day. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Wireless Fidelity.
Yay!
This technology helps you navigate anywhere in the world. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Global Positioning System.
Yay!
This computer connector has become a household name. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Universal Serial Bus.
Yay!
This abbreviation refers to a network within a limited area. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Local Area Network.
Yay!
Every mobile phone needs this tiny card. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Subscriber Identity Module.
Yay!
This technology allows you to send text messages on a phone. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Short Message Service.
Yay!
This file format is one of the most popular ways to share documents. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Portable Document Format.
Yay!
This image format is widely used for photographs. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Joint Photographic Experts Group.
Yay!
This image format is famous for supporting transparent backgrounds. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Portable Network Graphics.
Yay!
This file type is best known for short animations and memes. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Graphics Interchange Format.
Yay!
Music lovers know this audio format very well. Can you guess it? The correct answer is MPEG Audio Layer 3.
Yay!
This technology creates a secure connection over the internet. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Virtual Private Network.
Yay!
This technology is transforming the world rapidly. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Artificial Intelligence.
Yay!
This component is often called the brain of a computer. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Central Processing Unit.
Yay!
This computer component temporarily stores information. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Random Access Memory.
Yay!
This type of memory permanently stores important instructions. Can you guess it? The correct answer is read-only memory.
Yay!
This storage device is known for its speed and reliability. Can you guess it? The correct answer is solid-state drive.
Yay!
This storage device has been used in computers for many years. Can you guess it? The correct answer is hard disk drive.
Yay!
You probably use this machine to withdraw money. Can you guess it? The correct answer is automated teller machine.
Yay!
This digital payment system is extremely popular in India. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Unified Payments Interface.
Yay!
This abbreviation is commonly used while buying expensive products. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Equated Monthly Installment.
Yay!
This secret number helps keep your accounts secure. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Personal Identification Number.
Yay!
This square barcode can be scanned using a smartphone. Can you guess it? The correct answer is Quick Response.
Yay!
Please comment below to submit your correct answer's score. Hit like and subscribe button for more such videos. Thanks for watching.